Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle, how it's finished, guys. The market is getting very dry here. There is no volume here indicating the market is going to reverse. We need to wait until Monday what the market is going to tell us. But I want to show you something here because one of my friends, he sent me something today. So I said, let me to share it with you guys because me, I don't want to hide nothing from you. And here in that place, as you see it, there is no volume till now. And also we're still waiting that inside bar, also we said that one here, either to be broken in the top here or to be broken down here. Everything is too clear. And by the way, a reply for a question to one of my members here in the channel. He said he wait in the bottom. There is no bottom, guys. Anyone he tell you that the bottom, don't believe him. No one can spot exactly where is the bottom. People, they got 20 years, 30 years experience in the market and they can't spot in exactly where is the bottom. So the right way, when you are like places like here, try to DCA every week, every month, or you could even every day. So like that, no matter how long you're buying from here, maybe that one is going to be the bottom. Maybe it's going to fall down. So we don't know exactly where is the bottom. The only way to try to buy as much as you can because us we are very close, guys. Remember that. We are very close. But exactly when is it the bottom, no one can know it. Only when the market it's moving upward, guys. At this moment, no one can know where is exactly the bottom. Everything is too clear. Now let's go to show you those things me I'm talking about. The first one is that one, guys. As you see it, that one is very famous structure or market structure for Wyckoff. As you see it here in that place, every time the market before he started going up, he make a fake down. Here, as you see it, before he falling, he make a fake down here. Even here before he falling down, he make that fake. Now here, we are the same structure, guys, here as you see it in that bottom here. And I tell that to you before. I told you people using Wyckoff, there is here a structure, but to complete the market it's need to come back inside here. If it go back inside and breaking higher here, that is going to be the bottom, guys. But if it doesn't and we continue falling, that's just a normal breakout. You know what I'm saying or no? So you need to make close eye at that level here, at that square, if we are going to go back inside it. If we're not, there is no entry yet, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let me show you those structures, what the names of them and everything. They are here as you see it. So as you see, guys, that place here, his name SM accumulate long position, or from here you know you are in the bottom for a long position. And as you see it, what happened here for long. Now here, that level where we are is that one. As I told you, his name SM accumulate long position. That's what I've been telling you, guys. I told you maybe we are very close to the bottom, but not yet. We need to wait in a little bit what the market is going to tell us. Everything is too clear. Let's go back now to the chart to explain those things to you. Here we are, guys, in the chart. As you see here, that the level also we got, that one here, and from here at last time. So that here, that breakout down, if the market go back inside here, that fake out here or that breakout down is going to be named SM accumulate long position. That one here. But how it's going to be confirmed, it's need that one to come back and to break here and to test it from up then to go up high, guys, to break for it the last high. That's how you're going to know the market it's move upward. So let's wait in the coming days, guys. That one it just analyzes, guys. It might from here to go back to touch here, that level here. Then after that it will drop and to break for us that low here. So we need to wait in another accumulation level like this. In the future, we don't know where it is, but something very important here. People, they started losing the hope in the crypto. And even if you are in Twitter and everything, majority of the people there, they're losing hope here. No one want to buy. People, they still scared now because the everyday coming news. That's why people, they still scared, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. One after European market close or the time of European market close, and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, if there is any swing trading position or something there. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. That's what me, if you remember what else we said here about that one here. What else we been telling you? Because some people, they told you over here you got a wedge. That wedge is being broken down here at that level. Why the Bitcoin doesn't falling down? Look here down at the volume. Here down. Look at it. What you saying? Where it's being broken? Only here. In those places here and here. You see it, it's moving upward and downward here. But now, what the market is showing to you? The market is very flat, guys. And that's what me, I told you that wedge here. In all the previous videos, I told you it will not work. And anyone who show you that one, don't even follow him. Because it will not work, guys. Because a lot of things. Look with me here. What else we said? We said we got here a level. A supply and demand zone. And here, we got another one here down. Also, we told you for us to enter long, it's need that to break here, a candle to come to open down here and to close here in the top. For us to know, we need to enter long. And for us to know we need to enter short, it needs a candle to come and to break down that level like that. To open here and to close below that level. If no one came like that, there is no entry, guys. Look here at that level. At that candle here, that one it came the time of news, and it show here a rejection here, yes or no? Then when it came that FTX collapse, that problem between that SBF and the CZ of Binance, it fell down till here, yes or no? Then look what happened. It came down up till here. Then it show us here that pin bar here. Look where we are. Now we stay sideways here. Bitcoin to move, it need investors to enter. Investors till now, all of them still waiting what's going to happen. And that's what me I told you. Bitcoin investors, they started losing the hope, and that's the right moment for you if you are a long-term investor. Swing trader, not yet, my friend. Swing trader, not yet. And something very important here, look with me. Here, guys, you remember that one? That downtrend, that one also being following. And when it break it show us is a false breakout, then it came back inside it. Now, we touch here, it go back, it touch up here. As you see it, we are very close to it. It will touch it here, then after that it's going to drop. So those people, they told you to enter from here. If it's breaking here, you're going to enter just from here to that downtrend also following, guys. That's why me I told you need to wait in that one to break upward here. If it doesn't break in upward here, there is no entry. Remember that. If it doesn't break in there, there is no entry, guys. And that's why me I told you in the daily you need to follow that inside bar I show you. Everything is too clear? By the way, you my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, helping us. You know that channel without you guys it can growing up. So please pause that video, smashing that thumbs up, writing down a comment. It's not something too hard. It will not take you that much. It's only 1 second, my friend. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember, when it's breaking here, but what it's showing to us here is going back upward here, yes or no? So it might is going to fall down from here, or it might all that breakout down here. Is it a false breakout? Then it's going to go back inside. Should we buy now? No, my friend, what us? The people they following us. What me I told you about that level here. Or controlling here. Over here is the bears who controlling. Over here is the bulls who controlling. Now in your eyes, who controlling now? Yes, you are right, my friend. They are the bears who controlling now. There is no bulls here controlling the market. It's only the bears. So when a market, the bears will control it. Or people, they want the price to fall down. Controlling the market. Should you enter long? Of course not. Always if you want to lose your money. That's what us we're talking about here. The bears were controlling, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, we said it, we are here at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger level. Should we enter long? No, my friend. No, it's not yet. Look here. Look here. What you seeing? Here in that level, what you seeing? All those times it's been the market respecting that level here. Yes or no? Should you enter now? No. Because it's might from here to go only to here, then after that it's going to drop. So for us to know the market is going to reverse, what the market needs to give us. It needs to come and to enter here. If it's enter here, enter with your eyes, they are closed. If it's not, there is no entry, guys. Remember those things me I'm telling you very well. Those ones down, they are just oscillators and they don't work in all the times. Yes, they helping, but they don't work. And anyone who bases his trading about an oscillator, don't follow him. Because as of those days, majority of them, some of them they came with MACD, they put it for you. Some of them they came with stochastic, they put it for you. All those things, they don't work, guys. Believe me, I am someone who been in this industry for long and I know about trading a lot. All those oscillators and indicators, they don't work in. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what me I told you in the last video. I told you got here a double bottom like that. That's what me I told you. I told you if it came a candle and breaking here, the 200 moving average, you enter long. That candle here, it's break it. Now you need to be in, guys. Yes or no? Should you enter short now? No, you are need to be long now here. Yes or no? And what me I told you here about the market structure here, about that level where we are now here, what me I told you about it. I told you, look here, we're being sideways. Look here, we're being trending down. And look here, we're being sideways again. So that's the market structure, guys. After that, you're going to see either a big move upward or a big move downward. So we need the week to start to tell us where is the market is going to go. Till now, there is no clear picture, guys, there. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. The people, they enter long, they need to start thinking of to take some profit or to protect themselves. People, they are scalpers and day traders, they know those things. Don't need just to come to scalping without to know those things, because those things, they are very important in scalping, guys. In scalping, when you are in profit, you need to protect yourself. And over here, you are at the overbought area, so you need to wait in the next move and to start protecting yourself. Stop loss where you need to put it, down here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.